Friends, welcome back to the channel once again. Now let's see this drawing and practice it in AutoCAD 2D. Now if you look at this bigger circle, you see the diameter here is 80 millimeters, and this design over here, we have this circle inside here is having a diameter of 42, and then at the tip, at the end of this one, is having a diameter of 64, and the center to center distance from here vertically down is 40, and from here vertically down is 38. Now if you check the center to the center distance, for the first one is 106, and then this one is 80. Okay, so let's open AutoCAD and see how you can do that. So pick center diameter and click anywhere, just enter 80. That is, we are in millimeters. Okay, all right, so that is for this. And then we have another diameter of 64, so make sure it's center diameter, enter 64. And then the last one, we are choosing center diameter, okay, not center radius, 42. All right, so we have all the three, and let's create this design. See, it's 8, so I'll just pick a line and draw to this quadrant, and I'm going to offset 4. So click the offset command. Now say specify offset distance 4, press enter. Click this line, move up, and click it again, move down. Now you can delete the center line, and let's trim. So you trim this side, and now zoom out. You see there are some SX lines over here, delete them. All right, now let's select this 2 lines and then use polar array. Just select polar array. Now specify center point. So this is my center point. I want 6 items, so it's there already selected. Now close it. Let's do some trimming. So you can use the shortcut TR, press enter, trim this side. And also if you check, see there's nothing here, so we need to trim this arcs over here so that we get a complete good. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, now let's watch something here. You can see we have a distance, center to center distance of 106. So for beginners, I will recommend you use line. So just click line command and then draw a line of 106. Press enter anywhere on the screen. Now select this line and then use the move command. You can either use M and then press enter. Now say specify base points. I'll select the center. Now if you check, the distance is 40. So when I select, I'll just press and hold my shift key, right click, and now click from. Now where do I want it to start from? From the center here. So click the center here, and then the distance downwards is 40, so just enter 40. See, it will be positioned at its correct place. Now let's see, we have diameter 22 and diameter 42. So center diameter 22, again center diameter 42. Alright, so we will copy this to the right side. Let's copy. Okay, now remaining this side 80. Okay, so also pick a line, draw anywhere, enter distance, make sure the line is horizontal, enter 80 for the distance. Alright, so the same thing, select it, move, press the center. Now press hold shift key, right click, select from. Now from where this center, come down. How many distance? 38. Okay, shown here. So vertically down 38. Good. Now the circle, radius 16, diameter 16. So pick center diameter 16 and then center radius also 16. So let's copy from here to this side. Good. Now if you watch, there is another circle here or an arc here with radius 24, so you can either use the tan radius. Let's use that tan radius. Now click here and here, the radius is 24, so we have it there. Now let's join our lines, these lines, tangent lines. So we can even delete these lines, we don't need them anymore. So pick line command, press, hold shift key, right click. Now select tangent from here, click this bigger circle, press hold shift key, right click, tangent. Okay, now let's mirror this one. Select the line, mirror, MI for shortcut, and just locate the center. It says erase all subject, just say no. Okay, so the same thing. Let's come to the down here, line, press hold shift key, tangent, click this line, press hold shift key, again tangent. Now attach it to this. Let's mirror from the center, erase all subject, just say no. Let's do the trimming now. So we just trim this and this and this. Okay, so now we can see our work is nice and neatly done, but we need to add dimension to our work. So to do that, I'll create a different layer for my dimension. So just go to layer properties, new, I'll just give it a name. Okay, change the color as well to yellow, and then I'll change the line width 0.25. Okay, so this is what I'll just do here. Now make your dimension layer active. Let's start with linear. So linear, we have center to center distance. Now you see it's too small, so just change it at manage dimension style. Now press D on your keyboard, or you can just go to annotate here, then select dim style, go to modify, symbols and arrow, I like 5, then text also I'll choose 5. Okay, now you see the dimension will be clear. Alright, so let's continue from this side to this side. You can see 38, then once more from here to here 106, and then the last one for linear is 80. Good. Now let's go for our diameter. Our diameter for this bigger circle 80. Again for this end point 64 as shown, and then again for the inner one, which is 42 as shown. Now let's take a line for this end here and here. You can see it's 8. Good. Now let's come here, diameter for this 42, and again this inner one 22. Okay, last diameter over here 16, and then let's choose radius. Okay, also 16. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more projects and tutorials like this in AutoCAD. See you in my next tutorial.